Ah, graduation weekend. A time for beaches, barbecues, and parties. Let's solve 1,000 Rubik's Cubes. Our goal... Already? Alright.
Has it been recorded the entire time?
Yeah, it has been. Okay, so basically the rules are, we have 4 rules. The first one is we have to complete 1,000 solves in one sitting. We only can stand up from our chairs if we need to pee or if there's an emergency. Rule number 2 has to be complete solves, and that leads to rule number 3, we have to scramble it. The scrambles are provided from CS Timer and we're gonna follow it. It doesn't have to be accurate, but it just has to be like pretty scrambled. And rule number 4, our goal is, no it's not, I don't like that rule. Our goal is to complete it in less than 6 hours and 30 minutes. An average time for me is 14 seconds, including like the scrambling and the inspection time. It would take me like probably 30 seconds to do 1 cube.
My average time is like 40 seconds, and including inspection time, which I don't do, it's probably like 40 seconds.
Oh, how about like scrambling? Like
a minute, because it takes a little bit for me to read.
So it'll take him a minute.
Okay.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, start. Wait, your music.
Do it now!
Not now. You're right. I'm also gonna play music.
It's just a little bit of things.
Alright.
Wait, that's not fair.
We're not racing.
You should slow down for me.
I don't know about that.
I forgot to hit the timer.
So what Jacob is doing is he's still learning the 2-step OLL and PLL. So basically his times are gonna kind of be inflated. So we could tell the time, or we could tell how many solves we're doing by this number over there. And you see all our times over here. Jacob still needs to use his algorithm, so he has it open over there. And that's his time. And it's funny because his first time he got a 14 seconds, his second time he got 2 minutes and 10.
Is this corners and edges?
Uh-oh, someone's calling me. Corey, what's up? Oh, we're kind of doing a video. Look, it's Jacob.
Hi.
Say hi to the camera, Corey.
Was that for, what's it called? What's his name? Letters?
No, it's like for fun. We're trying to 1,000 Rubik's Cube solves in one sitting.
In a day.
Yeah.
Honestly.
Okay.
Yeah, it's kind of hard, but I don't know. We'll see how it goes.
Okay.
All right, Stu. See you later. Bye bye.
I swear it was his idea, not mine.
All right, let's go. I'm 30 solves in. Jake is almost 10 solves in. Let's check where we at right now. 23 minutes. 23 minutes.
Wait, what's our total at? Are we at 100 yet?
No.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
This one. Ooh, 14. Actually, no, I'm gonna finish by 3 solves. Then I'll reach 50.
Yeah, you're right. I'll get to 20 and then I'll do it.
Yeah.
What the heck, you're at 49?
Yeah, that's what I said.
Alright. The T's looking pretty far away.
So basically, Jacob
Look
is
at the
not really
average.
doing like his times anymore. He's just doing it as a counter.
Look at the
So
average.
15, 15. What's the average? Oh, it averages 1684.
Look at the average, man.
But like, look at your times.
What did I do wrong? It's not bad. Oh, I did the wrong algorithm.
Alright, we're at 120 right now. I'm doing different sessions, so this is my session 2. So I did, for my first session, which is session 2, I did 55. And then I'm moving on to session 3, which is 35.
I'm at
Jake
30.
is at 30 flat. Good job, Jake.
Thanks.
Also, we are at an hour and 12 minutes. So,
It's not good.
yeah, not good.
We're not on schedule at all.
I'm tired.
Well, suck it up. Wait, is he saying Young Dong?
Young, dumb, and broke.
Oh,
Young, dumb.
dude, there's a restaurant in LA called Young Dong.
Really?
You should visit.
So, checking in. I'm at 140. Jacob is at, I don't know what this is.
81.
51. So, together we're at 191. And, let's see. 152. So, got a little better.
200.
Yeah. And see what time it is right now.
Wait, we're at 190.
6:49.
Make it one. I haven't completed one in a long time. Keep messing up the algorithms.
Thanks, Jake. More work for me then.
No,
Yeah.
you can stop at 750.
No, that's not good. We want to complete it. We're a team, you know. Your solves are my solves.
You mean my solves are my solves, and your solves are our solves.
What? Dinner break. No break for him though.
Okay, something happened there.
So we're at 43 and 74. So 43 plus 150 is gonna be 193 plus 74, 271. So we're just a little more than a fourth there, and it's been 2 hours and 41 minutes.
Okay.
I'm at 275. Jake is really close to 100. He's at 99. And the time is right now, we're in 3 hours, 27 minutes. The time is 8:24 p.m. Uh, 4 hours in. His first pee break.
It's not
Aye.
tea break, but whatever.
50, so that means I'm at 350. Jacob's at 125, so that means that we did 475, only 25 more and we're halfway. And we are at 4 minutes and 17, I mean 4 minutes,
No, we're going under 10 hours.
4 hours and 17 minutes. We are on track for less than 10 hours. I'm also showing Jacob the Hamilton soundtrack, and what do you think, Jacob?
I'm a fan. Let's watch this one too afterwards.
Yeah, no, it's a musical, like a live musical.
Oh my god.
Yeah, it's not a movie. Like, tickets are pretty expensive.
Wow.
Yeah. Get one in SF.
We should do it.
Yeah. I don't know what to say.
All I gotta say is that I'm exhausted. And we're not
I gotta say is same.
Dude, we're almost halfway in. It's been like 5 hours.
No. You're in solve 500.
I'm gonna mess it up somehow.
It's okay. So I'm at 16. So I'm at 376. He's at 133, almost to 134. And once he reaches 134, that's our 500 solve. Okay, you can do this. Good. Yep, good. Yeah. Good. Good. Good.
Yay!
So
Oh
at
my god,
500.
9 hours. Yo, sub
Yeah.
9 hours. We're on the way.
Yeah. Our goal was
6.5.
6:30. So I think our new goal is gonna be
Sub
9
9.
hours. Yeah, sub 9. I put on another layer because it's getting cold.
So many questions and not enough answers. I'm watching the clock ticking by and I'm dancing. I'm lost, but I'm loving the high of advancing. Won't learn everything, but feel decent. That dancer, I promise the sun is from silence and hate. They stuck in the bottle, I'm tossing away. Got a lot on my plate.
I finished 50, so I'm at 400. Jake's at 145. The time is 4:52.
Yeah, I told him this rap shit take time, but I'm getting it. Gonna be famous, say if I did it yet. Not yet. Let them know I'm my own prospect.
Hello, everyone. You can see the depression in my voice. Where are we at, Jake?
Somewhere around 6:30ish.
Around 6:30. Where is it? There we go. 5:34. What time is it? 10:31 p.m. Kind of tired. Right?
Never tired.
He's such a strong boy. Oh, sorry, strong man.
Questions. Questions running through my mind.
I reached 500. I'm on session 11. And then Jake is, let's see, I don't have my classes. Or I do have my classes. 186. Pick it up.
We're not friends.
I thought that I could drift through life on all those pretty sentiments. They said everything turns out fine, don't know if they really meant it.
This is our progress so far. Or at least this is my progress so far. So I ended with 50. Jake is on his 200th solve. So once we're done with this, we're at 700 and
50.
no, 700.
750.
No?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, huh? Oh yeah, okay. We're at 750. Oh, we're three quarters.
I just said that like 2 seconds ago.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you can see where my brain is at.
Woo!
And we're at 641.
Of our lives that we wish we were grown up. The first summer your heart got broke.
So Jake is switching to beginner's method because we're up 2 minutes, but we're both really tired. So I don't know if we can make sub 9, but hopefully we do. I'll keep updated.
My best, but I guess it's a start. I've always felt that I was in the dark. I'd like to tell you, but it feels.
I got a PR. Not really PR, but this is a PR in the session
Season record.
on my. What solve is this? 581.
581 for you, and
Yeah.
I'm on 217.
Yeah, it's on 217. So Jake switched to beginning with it. I think we already included this. Yeah.
Good to get closer with the sinking feeling now. I know it's the same one that makes you rise.
Hey kids, I just finished my 600 solve. Jacob, how are you doing?
228.
228. We're almost there. The time right now is, oh shoot,
I think we're okay.
7:13. We are very okay. Say that again.
15 minutes to do 98 solves.
Challenge is updated. Let's do this. Wait, how many solves are
98.
98 solves? I'm gonna do one-handed solve. Yeah. Thing anymore.
I don't know.
Oh.
So we got 35 more solves left to do.
And
Current
we have
time left is
12
12 minutes. Don't think we're gonna make it.
I think we can do it. Okay.
You think we can do
I
it?
think we can do it.
Oh.
Okay, go, go, go.
Where is it? Oh, it's right there. How many do you have?
I don't know. Okay, I did 3. I think it's enough. Oh, oh!
Perfect.
We made it. I think we made it. Hold on. Wait, let's check.
I got 291.
I got 259. I mean,
49.
649. No, more than 49. I got 709.
709.
Okay, let's do the math.
709 plus 291. Woo! Oh, we're done.
We did it. Like,
I don't want to come to your house ever again.
with 10 seconds left to spare. Wow. So these are my sessions. So it begins in session number 2. It was 55 and then 50. Sorry, my hand's shaky because I'm still nervous. 55, 50, 50, 55, 45, 45. So yeah, I'll add the totals somewhere over here. But yeah, this should all equal 709 because with the 59 over there. And then Jake, he just did one whole session and he did 291. And